What's up, guys? Today we're playing Euro Truck Sim 2, and I'm gonna pick this guy. Basically, me and Wilson are gonna be competing to see who can get the most money in 3 hours while driving like. Let's begin.
Alright guys, 3, 2, 1, start your engine.
What the fuck?
Maybe turn that shit down. Or you have, sitting in the screen and...
Why are the violations turned on? Oh hell no.
No, turn them off. Oh, fuck. Yeah, as I said, every responsible truck driver has an open container of alcohol in his car at all times. So I actually have that right now as well. I don't even know what I did. I probably fucked up my route advisor saying 1 hour. I don't think that's right. I think this is supposed to be a very short trip.
The first mission, I don't know, it says 1 hour and 30 minutes to me.
It says 1 hour and 56. And I already fucked this up.
Oh fuck, I forgot damage exists. Shit.
How do you turn off damage?
Mod.
I don't have mod.
Yeah, and I don't have it either.
Mie nu mi înregistrau bine. I'm in the fucking C gear. What is this like Indian 200 speed gearbox, bro? What the fuck? What is the C gear?
Let me see, can I take damage? Let me smash into this car. I can still take damage. What the fuck?
Let me smash into this car. Like any normal truck driver. would
Let
say.
me T-bone in this hatchback.
Not now, but one time. It's like $5. I'm still taking damage. I started flying like an eagle. Damn, just flipped over. Fucking hell, man. G truck stability 10. Danzo.
Yeah, I am not parking this on fucking keyboard.
What are you doing?
I finished the mission.
What?
Next mission, company brand.
I am so fucked. My route advisor says 3 hours.
Okay. Then I'm Builders League United. What a shitty headquarters, man.
Oh! Did I hit it? No.
Hit it. Let's not do this. Take the job, let's go into Paris. Fuck it.
Come on, quick job. I don't got all day. Sure, let's take fucking caviar to the United Kingdom.
You don't have to drive on the other side
Oh my
of the
god.
road.
I would. Living in Belgium is bad enough. But the United Kingdom, like I was joking, right? I wouldn't actually kill myself if I lived in Belgium. But if I lived in the United Kingdom, I would throw my. I'm in a Renault truck too. It is over.
It is over for you, my dude. I can't imagine how our good partner, which I don't know if I can say his name, is living.
Good partner.
Our good British partner, which I don't know if I can say his name.
Let me try and text while driving. I think it's a good idea. This
this
is like
not
practice.
Yeah, for the future.
Yeah. This is what I'm gonna be doing.
I'm gonna be texting and driving.
He's sleeping, bro. Sleeping like a little boo-boo baby.
Who? Viz?
Yeah, Viz. He's fucking offline. I'm gonna
Unbelievable.
call him and hopefully wake him up. If Viz doesn't respond, I'm breaking into his house.
With the truck. We're just
then-
smashing into his house. Of course he does.
Brother, pick up! Fuck! I'm texting while driving just for you, baby girl. Fuck! Fuck!
Fuck! I didn't pit maneuver the Dacia Sandero. I'm so sad.
Okay, let's put on some music.
How many times have you listened to the CD I did?
A lot, actually.
Actually,
Yeah, my parents are tired of it.
are you making them listen to it?
Yes. They have no choice. Fuck! I didn't pit maneuver. Please, mommy, call me a good word. Fuck!
Get the fuck out.
I hit the truck in front of me. The brakes are so ass.
Whoa, 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 whoa! Fuck!
You fucking dumbass.
I got to my goal. No, don't fucking decouple my trailer. Yeah, I wanna be pushed aside, so let me let me take back my life. I'd rather be all alone. Anywhere on my own, 'cause I can say. Listen,
Do you know how to drive?
I forgot I'm in the UK, okay? I wanna be pushed aside.
The brakes are so ass.
Stupid ass fucking Mini Cooper trying to fucking overtake me. Fuck!
Well, yes, I have 8,779 euros.
I will catch up, don't worry. Hey, fucking Mini Cooper! Fuck that Mini Cooper! Attached to them because I wonder why this is happening. Cambridge discovered. Oh! Oh! Ah! Ah! Success! Great success! Carrefour. Who the fuck is buying caviar from fucking Carrefour, bro? Motherfucker. High value. I desperately need more money. I need like a shorter fucking job, bro.
I've got 3 more hours of this job.
Bro. Te-ai uitat la Avatar 3, nu? Bro, you know Kiri?
Yeah.
I can fix her.
Nah, I want the fire, bitch.
The one that dragged the corporal. What the fuck do they get LSD from? That's my question.
Probably like some random ass mushrooms.
Yeah, but how did she turn it into powder?
Maybe like a fucking stone off the ground. Fucking dumbass.
Hey, look at this mushroom I found. I should crush it up with a fucking stone and then leave it to dry for like 3 weeks, right? Because it would like be wet because it's a fucking mushroom.
Vegan land? There's a truck with vegan land. Oh hell.
And then turn it into a fine powder and then inhale it up my nose. How much money you got?
1,500.
Dog, I'm only at 8. You're kinda winning so far. I'm scared. Dog! Why are my brakes so incredibly slow? And I'm rolling over! Fuck! Arrgh!
Yeah.
No, I'm actually tweaking, bro.
You can load the checkpoint or cancel the delivery for a penalty fee of literally all my money. I'm not
Dude,
gonna check
this
it.
is what happens if you do a special escort mission.
Yeah, but this gives me like $10 bajillion.
There's an oil tanker right in front of me. It would be a shame if anything were to happen to this oil tanker. Like, really. Oh my godness. Finally. Finally I'm done with the job. What the fuck is this, bro? Is this an incinerator 2000?
They're catching up and I don't like that.
after.
Now I have 30 grand.
Look. Oh! Don't flip over challenge.
Level impossible.
I did it. I didn't flip over. I hit the pole.
Hold on. Construction zone. The best way. There it is. Bomba.
Boomba.
I just turned him around. Look at that boy.
Okay, I just crashed onto something. I don't know what I crashed into. Hello, Todd. I would like you to move my sign and Dog! Are you seeing this guy? They're just slowing down.
That was something.
1 hour left. Why is this truck right hand drive? This is one of them weird gearboxes, bro. Look, I got C1, C2, and then it goes 1.
This game is not stimulating enough. I'm gonna fucking fall asleep right now.
I can't turn the music louder, I'm sorry.
The music will not help. I have a beautiful idea.
No!
Do not put this shit on the screen, bro. Yeah, it's stamped into a recording.
Bro,
Dog, what in the hell are you doing? Fuck, you think your truck is better than mine? You ain't not better than our shit. What the predicament I got myself in.
did the time just go backwards?
That's it, baby. Donezo. Let me see. Gonna put another point in value by the car. Now we have $46,000.
No, do not go on the exit spot. Okay, please open the thing. Tengo descargar. 14-hour mission, bro. Oh my days.
What?
9 grand job.
Damn.
I'm in a shitty Mercedes. Bro, what is this gearbox? In 9th gear, I'm at 30 kilometers per hour. 200 speed Indian gearbox or some shit.
I bet you're gonna find like a demon fucking.
This song is mashed up like ass, literally.
Two people in a room for long enough and eventually they're gonna fuck.
What the fuck is bro? I'ma do this one. Also, finally a truck with a normal gearbox.
Those are rare nowadays.
Yeah, bro, I'm getting a truck with C1, C2. I got a truck with 16 speeds.
Oh, you want a truck? How about 16 speed?
16 speed Indian gearbox.
No, you don't want. How about C1 and C2? What does that mean? I don't know. Here you go.
No. Okay, I'm gonna finish this and I'm gonna see how much profit I made. I was so close. Easy, easy, easy. I made 38 grand in profit. How much did you make? I mean, my money right now is 40,580.
57,300.
Yeah, you win.
I'm coming through, move out the way, boom. I know one day I'ma blow soon. Mama told me I was a goon. I'm about to blow up like a balloon. Feel like the cow jumping over the moon. I'm coming through, boom. Nigga wanna fight me, bow. They say how I get here, how? Bro, smoke it like a bow. When you see my likes, bow. Ops looking for me, how? Tell them it's my time, now. Tell them why they laughing, now. Should I get a Jerry curl, wow? They said I was ass when I rap, how? I'm on that block again, how? I need an hour later, now. But I can't get an hour later, later. I'm trying to be a paper chaser, but I got a fucked up taper, bitch.